Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to fix if the security tab is missing from file properties in Windows 10. So when you right click on a file in the property sheet, there appears a security tab, and if it is missing, we will see how you can fix that in this video. First of all, I will illustrate you how this problem actually occurs. I have opened File Explorer and now I will right click on a file and select Properties. In the file property sheet, you can see that there is General, Digital Signatures, Details and Previous Versions, but there is no Security tab, and the Security tab is missing, and due to which you cannot change the permissions for this file. Also, you cannot change the owner for this file by taking its ownership. So how to fix this problem? Let us see. So here is the solution, and that solution involves a simple registry manipulation. So right click on the start button and select run, type regedit and press enter key. In the UAC confirmation prompt, click yes. In the registry editor window, you can directly go to this registry key in newer version by pasting the registry location from the video description I have provided. Else you can go to this registry key manually as well, like H key current user, software and so on. So in the right pane of the Explorer registry key, as you are facing this problem, you will find no security tab named registry dword, which must be set to value data 1. All you need to do is right click on this registry dword and select delete. In the confirmation prompt, click yes. So the registry dword is now deleted. Simply close the registry editor and sign out from your account. And we will now sign in back so that the changes we have made in registry are effective, and we will now check if the file property sheet has security tab. So we will again go to File Explorer and try to right click on a file to open the property sheet. And as you can see in the property sheet, the security tab is available here now. So I can now change the permission for this file, and also I can change the owner for this file by taking its ownership and clicking on the advanced button. In this way, the security tab has been restored and the issue has been resolved. So thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.